DC motor. This is the DC motor. It's a It's a 775 DC motor, 12 volts. You can see here it's 12 volts, 8,000 to 1,000, 8,000 to 15,000 RPM, revolution per minute, 150 watts. And it has two contact, one with the red one or the pink, what are we going to do with this motor? We are going to check the speed, the amperage of this motor using this nice adjustable power bench supply. First, we're going to calibrate the machine, set it to volts, 3.3 volts. First, 3.3 or at least 3 volts, and then short circuiting the cable. Now we have the power, the ampere reading, 0.524 ampere. To set the current limit, we're going to set the current to at least 5 ampere or 5 ampere. 5 ampere. Disconnecting the wire, we have 3 volts. Short circuiting the wire, we have the current limit of 5.051 ampere. So that is the current limit we're going to use for testing the amperage of this motor. But this motor has a voltage rating of 12 volts. So now we're going to adjust it to 12 volts because that is the voltage rating of the 755. Volts. And then let us now see the ampere. So at 12 volts, we have the 0.523 ampere, and the power used is 6.2 watts. That is our reading. So the 0.513 is the current. That is the current of the motor with no load, because we have no load yet. So again, so it is running. And then if that is the current with no load, let us now check the current stall current. When the motor is jump. 5 ampere. Did you see the amperage of the it will 5.04. That is the current when the motor jump or stall. The stall current is somewhere 5 ampere. And the current with no load is 0.5 ampere. How about using this? Wait. Using this load fan blade 3 propeller type. We're going to use this as a load to the motor. Now we have the load, a propeller. And what is now the current with load of the motor? .705 ampere current. .705 ampere current with load current. With load current 8.5 watts, still at 12 volts. 8.5.7 ampere. Can we check the revolution, RPM, of this motor? We can check the RPM by using this. This is a digital tachometer. Digital tachometer. Memory test. We can measure the RPM by placing a sticker to the blade so that the tachometer will measure the speed RPM of the motor. Again, connect $8,242. $8,173. You can see that. 8,216. So it's almost 8,215. That is the RPM. 215. Let us see the memory. We can check that here. Memory 12 up. The up RPM is 12,335 and the down 8,215. That is now the power of our 755 DC motor.